G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Yesterday I laid the floor. Now today I'm doing the walls. As you walk into a bathroom, that is the first wall you do. It's the same as when you're doing cornice. It's the same as when you're doing a skirting or anything like that. The one that you walk into is the first one you start on, and then you do your sides and the back. If ever things didn't match up or meet up, they do now because everything's lasered. But in the old days you always did the back wall last, because if things didn't quite match up, you don't see that wall. Okay, so we're shooting up this one now. That's all I do with electrical. Electricians are happy to fluff about with electricity. I'm not, so that's it. I cut around it, it gets put back, that's it. So off we go. A white tile always looks fresh and clean and tidy. I'm using a 12mm notchy DIYs. I'll cut a whole heap of them in a minute. If you subscribe to my channel and keep watching what I'm doing and what I do, and you pick up hints, tricks and that sort of thing, you will learn how to tile before you know it. All the time I'm watching my lines, DIYs, all the time. When I clip it up, it's easier to adjust my tile when it's clipped, because it stays in position. The good thing with clips also is that it holds the tile in position while the glue is drying. Years ago, when your square edge tile was out and before clips, you'd come back in the morning and you get glue. As it dries, it pulls and it sucks and it can sand your tile up the shit when it's not clipped together, when it's not held together. when it was just crosses and wedges. So you come back in the next morning and go, oh whoa, I didn't lay it like that. Well, no, you didn't, but it was just from the glue drying and it pushed and pulled. But now clips hold it all together, so you've got no worries of that. Always checking your lines. Beautiful. Okay people, subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. You'll see this bathroom unfold into a masterpiece. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.